What is the absolute easiest way to journal your trades automatically? Because manually typing every single entry, exit, and position size is exactly why most people quit doing it. Imagine a chaotic rapid-fire session where you take dozens of complex trades. Instead of staring at a blank spreadsheet, Broker AutoSync pulls your exact execution data directly from your trading platform the exact second your position closes. But here's the catch. A giant database of raw numbers will not actually make you profitable, because raw data alone doesn't explain exactly why a specific setup failed or succeeded. That is why TradeZella instantly channels all that synced data into deep review tools. It automatically categorizes your setups, tracks your daily playbooks, and lets you visually replay your trades tick by tick. The entire goal is to automate the logging, so 100% of your effort goes into learning. So think back to that incredibly chaotic session of rapid-fire trades from earlier. It is now perfectly categorized and ready to teach you a lesson the exact second the market closes. Click the link to try TradeZella and get 20% off today.